Hello, welcome to Tony Tuesday. Today we're going to play a game of chemicals that we use.
What are we going to call it, Tony?
Say what?
Alright, so I have picked 3 names. They go in order of easiest to hardest. The first 2 are just brand names, and the third one is a chemical name. So let's see how well Tony and Adrian do.
Oozaloo, oozaloo.
Close.
Oozum.
One more time.
Awesome. Say what? Zephyr.
You gonna try it?
Zephyr.
And the correct answer is Zephyr. Say what?
Say what? Polydiptic.
No, try again.
Polyolithical.
Give up?
Polydiptic.
Give up?
Polly got a cracker. Say what?
This is pronounced polydimethylsiloxane.
Say what?
Say what? Alright, so the sum of the game is that nobody's made any points. So we're going to have a bonus round. Tony, Adrian, what number am I thinking?
15. 21.
15 is it? Ding, ding, ding. It was number 8. Congratulations, Tony. You are the winner of...
Say what?